during the canal days, folks, they would have been mules. They would not have been horses this big. It's not a regular covered bridge. It's called an aqueduct. Nothing can go in there but a boat. We didn't have money, so we borrowed the money. It eventually led to bankruptcy. The states, one of the few states to go bankrupt because of this canal right here. In order to correct that mess in 1851, when we came out of bankruptcy, we rewrote the Indiana Constitution. To this day, to this moment, Indiana cannot borrow 1 penny on a bond. So here, they're going to turn the horses around here in a moment to rope to the other end.